Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain remaining topic of chapter 6, animations in Flash. Now, class, today I will cover three topics in this chapter. First one, converting an objects into symbol. Second one, layers, and third one, frames and keyframes. After that, if you understand 3 point more, converting object into symbol, layers, and frame and keyframe. Frame and keyframe both are the very important topic, and it help you on in creating animation. It help you to in creating animation. So all of you listen and watch very carefully the steps how to convert object into symbol and what is the use of frame and where appear frame and keyframe. Then you can understand very easily and you can apply this in your program. Now class, thank you all for today. Sorry. Now class, just I am going to explain you in detail converting an object into symbol. Now class, to convert an object into symbol, you have to follow these steps. First step to draw an object on the stage. Select any tool from tool panel and drag and drop on the stage. After drawing, like select any rectangle to drag and drop. Suppose here rectangle tool draw. After drawing, you need to select the object. Second step, to select the object. To select the object, you have to go on selection tool like this tool and then drag and drop. Drag the whole object. Your object will be selected. After selecting, third step, you have to go on modify menu. Third step, you have to go on modify menu and now select convert to symbol. Go in modify menu and select convert to symbol. Then now convert to symbol dialog box appear. Convert to symbol dialog box appear. In that dialog box, you have to select type of symbol. Like from here, movie clip, buttons and graphics are given. From here, select the button type. After selecting button, click on OK button. After selecting button option, click on OK button. Now your object converted into button type symbol. After that, some more step you have to follow. You need to open button editor. Then double click on the created symbol to open button editor. Button editor now open on timeline. Now button editor are open in timeline. You can see here 4 frame in timeline panel with the option up, over, down and hit. Up, over, down and hit appear. After that, whatever want to make changes, then now you can make changes. Okay. Otherwise, after the whatever want to make changes, you can make changes in them. Button editor, 4 options there appear: up, down, over and hit. That can be applied, and about them I will explain you later. Next topic is your layer. Next topic is your layer. The layer are the thin piece of transparent sheet. Understand? Just now our book has many pages, but now the page is not transparent, so that we can't see what written on page number 4 or what from page number 2. But now here on the stage, whatever we drawn object, that are the create a new layer by name layer 1, layer 2 and so on, and now all layer are transparent. Whatever we can add image also, text also, movie, video, audio, everything we can keep stored on the placed on the stage. So everyone create a new layer. Now layer have some more option. Layer can be hide, layer can be lock or unlock, and layer can be hide or unhide. To hide layer, very simple way to hide a layer. To hide layer, you can see here eye icon. Select the layer and click on eye icon. Suppose you have created your one circle. That circle you want to hide from stage. Then select your circle layer from timeline and click on eye icon. Then you have seen that your circle will be disappear. Again, if you want to unhide, again select the layer and click on eye icon. Then your layer will be unhide. To lock or unlock, if you have made some final project and you don't want to make any modification on them, then you can lock your layer. Select the layer and click on lock option. Your layer will be locked. Your layer will be locked. So this is up, and if you want to unlock, then again select the layer and again click on unlock layer. Then your layer will be unlocked. So this is option by which you can apply lock or unlock. Next one is your frame. Next topic to frame and keyframe. Frame and keyframe. Listen some point about this also. Frame and keyframe. Now frame is a single step of animation or picture on flash timeline. Each rectangular cell that appears on a timeline present a frame. You can see this. Just I am going to show you. From here, one small block or cell in white color. This is your frame. This is your frame now. Now the keyframe also very simple. Keyframe are those frames where major changes take place in animation. You can see here a black circle inside the frame number here. This is called your keyframe. Keyframe are those frames where major changes take place. The keyframe are of two types. One keyframe and second one a blank keyframe. When an object is present on the stage, A black circle below the frame number is the timeline represent a keyframe. Here is the black circle. Now blank keyframe. Blank keyframe is a frame is that which has no object. Blank means no object present on the stage. You can see here in frame one hollow circle. This represent as a blank key frame. Now class, today's topic is enough, and thank you all for today class. Thank you all.